Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the Battle.net installation error. It's a quick and easy one to fix. You would just need to go through each of these solutions to find the one that works for you. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to our Battle.net directory, which we can do by coming over to the Start menu and searching for Run. Then come over to the Run icon, and inside of here you'll need to type in C:/program data and then hit enter. And inside of program data, if you see any references to Battle.net inside of here, as you can see, I have two folders relating to Battle.net. We're just going to select these two folders and right click. And then we're going to select the trash icon to delete them. Then the next thing you're going to do is head over to your Start menu and search for Settings. And tap on the Settings tab and come over to Network and Internet from the left here inside of VPN. And if you're currently disconnected from your VPN, I'd recommend trying to connect to a VPN when doing the installation. If you already are connected to a VPN, then I'd recommend doing the opposite and disconnecting from your VPN. We can then close out this window and check to see if that's fixed the issue. Otherwise, move on to the next step. So the next thing we're going to do is make sure the Windows Installer service is running, as this is an essential part of installing new applications to our computer. So just head over to the Start menu and search for Services, and tap on the Services tab. Then inside of this list of processes, we want to scroll all the way down to the W section, and you need to find Windows Installer. And once you've found Windows Installer, we just need to double click on it. And if the service status is stopped, we can just press Start to start this process, and then press OK to save these changes, and we're going to head out of this window. Next thing we're going to try and do is unregister and re-register the Windows installer by coming over to the Start menu and searching for CMD, and then you need to right click on Command Prompt and make sure to run as administrator. Inside of here, we just simply need to type in msiexec /unreg and hit enter, and this is going to uninstall the Windows installer. And then we're going to type in msiexec/reg server, and this is going to reinstall the Windows installer. And once you've pressed the enter key, we can then restart our computer in order for these changes to take effect. And once you've restarted your computer, you can check to see if that's fixed the issue. And once you've restarted your computer, you'll need to head over to an internet browser and just head over to download.battle.net. And we're going to press this download for Windows button here. And once your file's downloaded, we simply need to right click on Battle.net, come into Properties, inside of the Compatibility tab, and you just need to ensure that Run this program as administrator is checked. And then we can press Apply and OK. And we're going to double click on Battle.net to install it. And that's it guys, that should have fixed any installation errors you were getting inside of Battle.net. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.